Hi guys, this is John Strong, and today we're going to start the second part of this tutorial. The first part I forgot to say you where to find the reference, and you can go to the official site of the Epic Kayak, www.epickayaks.com, and selecting the AP18X. You can download this picture, or by typing the Epic 18X on your internet browser, you can find a lot of image to have a better idea on how to shape the model. And if you are more curious and interested on kayaking and paddling, you can also listen to some descriptions given by experts. Okay, but come back to model. What we do now is to improve our modeling. So we came from the rudder. Hit L on our keyboard. Doesn't work. Oops. Okay. Hit L. Control I to invert selection. Hit H, and now we delete these vertices because we don't like. Delete these vertices. Select this and extrude along y-axis to join thanks to clipping able, and select this vertex and F to create a face. We do the same thing here. Okay. Okay, Alt H and go to side view, and this time we hide this part, and what we do is to, let's see, I don't like this vertex, so what we do is to delete these two vertices, select this, we can add a loop here. So we are working on this side, so add a loop, and what we need to delete also these vertices, this vertex, and what we do is to extrude. Oops. No, go back. Control Zeta. Extrude along y-axis. Grab Y. Join. No. Sorry. Go back. What we're going to do is extrude along y-axis. Go back. Move. Join together. What we do now is select this vertex. Enable snapping and auto merge editing. Grab this point. Oops, sorry, we have to select this. Grab. Okay. Here we join these vertices to create a face, and here select this, extrude along y-axis. Okay, what do? We don't need here to create another face, so I'm going to merge these 2 points by hitting Alt M and select at last. Select at last, and here I'm going to create a face. Okay, so Alt H to see everything, and enable the transparency view. We have to deselect the snap. So what we need is to the reference image. I have to repeat the download of the reference image. So let's run kayak blend up image and select this one. And okay, I do the same with this. I have to repeat too because I'm using another machine. So desktop, Jamshrunk, kayak, image, epic, and select this one. Okay, so magnify this view and try to improve this. What we need is to add a loop here. So what we do is to oops, sorry, select this. Okay, move down. Okay, so it's theta and go from the top view and try to adjust the shape, the rudder shape to the kayak shape. So this way. Okay. And rotate a little bit. Grab down. Rotate. Just like this. Like this. Rotate. Okay. Not bad. So the rudder is quite good. Now we focus our attention to the bow, and if we look at this, we see how the bow has a surface that is concave. And so let's go back to our file here. What do we do is to try to create a concave surface. Okay, center the view. Concave surface, and the bow is shaped more or less. So we need after to smooth the surface. Okay, is a really wonderful kayak, this one. And so what we need to add another loop. Oops. We're walking always at this side, so add by Control R, and Okay. Go to the back. Move inside. Oops. And now I think we have to move this loop towards the move down, and but select theta and deselect the vertices at the bow at the poop and move down. Oops, there's no, you're not accepted. So go back to side view, and what we see. What's up here? Oh, I have one vertex. I have delete this vertex. Okay. So we move inside. Oops. What we do is to move inside these vertices. Okay. And we select this, select always vertices at the bow. Selecting this way. Okay. Go side view, and I'm going to move up. Now hit B, and I'm going to select this. And move back. At the bow, there's something that doesn't work, so delete this vertex, and going to create another face. Okay. Now reshape everything. So it's it. Okay. What we do is to change the view from vertices to face, and hit B, and try to smooth by hitting Control V. Select smooth vertices one time, 2 times, and what we see is that so select this, Control Shift, okay, and join. Okay, no problem. So no bad. What we need to do is uh, to create some separation between the bow to from the bow to the cockpit, and between the cockpit to and the rudder. So this allows this avoids the kayak to sink. So what I do in the Shift Alt and select this line, center the view by hitting a point on the number pad, and Shift D to duplicate and scale a little bit. Display the vertices, and what we note is that on this line we have 7 vertices. So what I do is to hit L, and let's see, we have to display this line. We have to split this line, subdivide smooth, create another vertices. So we have 8 vertices, and we can create 3 faces with the mirror in active. So hit F, and hit F. Okay. Now hit N, and what we want to display is the face normals. Yeah, the first normal have to be towards the cockpit, and but here I'll select 0.05. Okay, instead here what I see, deselect for an instance, and Shift D, scale. Okay, we do the same thing for for this line. I'm going to split, so subdivide and create another vertices. So select these 2 vertices, select these 2, and create one face. F, hit F again. Okay, and now select normals face. What we see is the normal. The normals are directed. I have the versus toward the bow, but we need the versus toward the cockpit because we have to apply a texture. And so what I do in the is hit L and hit Control Shift N to invert selection. Okay. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Really not bad. Just so deselect and try to improve some vertices. If you want, you can also add more loops, but I leave this because I want just a loop poly model. Okay. Just improve something here. Okay, so it's enough. It's quite enough. If you want, just we can with we can smooth this area around the cockpits like this. Okay, and Control V 2 times. So now it's better. So I think it's enough for the second part of this tutorial, and we'll see you with the next part, the part 3, and we are up where we will try to apply some textures to the kayaks. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye.